Dear students, in this video let us solve 2021-22 SSLC Science Model Paper. Firstly, chemistry part. As the pH value of a solution increases, let us examine all the options one by one. First option, number of H plus ions increases. As the number of H plus ions increases, acidity of the solution also increases. So here pH value decreases. Option B, number of OH minus ions increases. As the number of OH minus ions increases, basic property of the solution also increases and pH value increases. So correct answer for this question is option B, number of OH minus ions increases. Next question, the amphoteric oxide among the following is. Amphoteric oxides means oxides which react with both acids as well as base to produce salt and water are called amphoteric oxides. Example, aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. So correct answer for this question is option D, zinc oxide. Next question is state Newlands law of octaves. When the elements are arranged in the order of their increasing atomic masses, the eighth element resembles the first element. This is the statement of Newlands law of octaves. Next question, draw the diagram of the arrangement of apparatus to show the electrolysis of water and label graphite rod. Next question, write the molecular formula and two uses of each of the following compounds. Washing soda, bleaching powder. Firstly, washing soda. Chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate. So, molecular formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Uses of washing soda: used as cleaning agent, used in the preparation of glass, soap, paper industries, used in the preparation of borax, used for removing hardness of water. Next is bleaching powder. Chemical name calcium oxychloride. Molecular formula CaOCl2. Uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton, linen, cloths and wood pulp. Used as oxidizing agent. Used to make water free from germs. Next question. Name the two gases liberated in chloro-alkali process. Write one use of each. Gases liberated in chloro-alkali process are hydrogen and chlorine. Uses of chlorine. Chlorine is used in water treatment, swimming pools and in the preparation of PVC, disinfectants, CFCs and pesticides. Uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used as fuel. Hydrogen is used in the preparation of margarine, ammonia for fertilizers. Next question. Draw the diagram of arrangement of the apparatus to show the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning. Label the following parts. Zinc granules, soap solution. Next question. The reaction of lead with copper chloride solution is an example for which type of chemical reaction? Why? Write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. First, let us write the equation. Symbol of lead is Pb and molecular formula of copper chloride solution is CuCl2. Products formed are lead chloride and copper. This reaction is an example for chemical displacement reaction. Because in this reaction, lead displaces copper from copper chloride solution. So it is called chemical displacement reaction. Next question is write the balanced chemical equations for the following reactions and identify the exothermic and endothermic reactions. Heating of ferrous sulfide crystals, calcium oxide reacts with water. Molecular formula of ferrous sulfate is FeSO4. When ferrous sulfate is heated, it decomposes to ferric oxide Fe2O3 plus SO2 sulfur dioxide and SO3 sulfur trioxide. To balance this equation, as in product side 2 Fe are present, so let us put 2 in reactant side also. Now this reaction is balanced. In this reaction, we have to heat ferrous sulfate crystals. So heat is absorbed in this reaction. So this reaction is endothermic reaction. Next part of question is calcium oxide reacts with water. Molecular formula of calcium oxide is CaO. As it reacts with water, that is H2O, product formed is calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. This reaction is already balanced. In this reaction, heat is released, so it is called exothermic reaction. Next question. The atomic numbers of two elements are 12 and 16 respectively. Do you keep these two elements in the same period of the modern periodic table? Justify your answer. Which one of these two elements is more electropositive? Why? Atomic number of first element is 12. Let us write electronic configuration for this one. Let us write electronic configuration for given second element also. When we observe the electronic configuration of both the elements, valence electrons belongs to third shell and third shell is the outermost shell. So both these elements belongs to third period. From the electronic configuration, first element belongs to second group and second element belongs to 16th group. When we move from left to right across the period, electronegativity increases. So element with atomic number 16 is more electronegative. Element with atomic number 12 is more electropositive. Next question, ionic compounds in solid state do not conduct electricity but in molten state are good conductors of electricity. Why? Ionic compounds do not produce free ions in solid state, so they do not conduct electricity. Free ions are produced in liquid or molten state, so they conduct electricity in liquid or molten state. Next question, write the formation of magnesium chloride with the help of electron dot structure. Atomic number of magnesium is 12 and electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 2. To gain octet configuration, magnesium has to lose 2 electrons. By losing 2 electrons, magnesium becomes Mg2+. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. By gaining 1 electron, chlorine gets octet configuration and it becomes chloride anion. Now let us write the formation of magnesium chloride with dot structure. Magnesium has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Magnesium donates these 2 electrons to 2 chlorine atoms and chlorine has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. 7 electrons in chlorine's outermost shell is denoted by X symbol. Let us write the formation of magnesium chloride in the form of Mg+2 and Cl-2 ions. Next question is, write any 2 differences between saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Saturated carbon compounds, unsaturated carbon compounds contain single bond between carbon atoms, contain double or triple bond between carbon atoms. Saturated carbon compounds produce clean flame. Unsaturated carbon compounds produce yellow flame with smoke. Examples for saturated carbon compounds are methane, ethane. Examples for unsaturated carbon compounds are ethene, ethine. Next question, write the molecular formula and structural formula for the following carbon compounds: propanoic acid, cyclohexane, pentane. First, propanoic acid. Molecular formula C2H5COOH. Structure of propanoic acid. First let us write 3 carbon atoms and then arrange 5 hydrogen atoms. Finally, functional group COOH. This is the structure of propanoic acid. Cyclohexane, molecular formula C6H12. Structure of cyclohexane. 6 carbon atoms are arranged in hexagonal structure and contains single bond between carbon atoms. Pentane, molecular formula C5H12. 5 carbon atoms are arranged in straight chain and only single bond is present between carbon atoms. This is the structure of pentane. Dear students, study with winning hunger. Nothing can stop you from success. Best of luck.